Everyone, it's Donna here, and I am here today with everything for my pink and shabby chic lovers. Everything is either pink or cream. Before I forget, this is my last video until the end of the month. I'm taking the next 2 weekends off. I'm going on vacation. I am going to Costa Rica for a week, and I can't wait. This will be my first time since I've been retired to actually do some traveling outside of the U.S. So I am so excited. I'm going to need a vacation when I come back, though, because I am going to be whitewater rafting, horseback riding, snorkeling, zip lining, hiking. So it's going to be an action-packed week. So let's see. If you're interested in purchasing anything you see today, as always, you need to send me an email. The purchase instructions and everything I'm selling today is listed down below in the description box. As things sell out, I'll mark them sold as soon as I can. There is a slight chance that I won't be home when this video goes live, and if that's the case, you'll get an automatic message that I'm away, and then I'll respond as soon as I get back. Okay, let's get started. I have a lot to get through. When you order, please tell me the lot number and the quantity when you're ordering. Up first is lot number 266, and this is a pink crochet panel. Come out a little bit. That is 4 wide and 3 deep, and this is what the doilies in it look like, and there's also little connector pieces. So, and this measures 18 inches by 14 inches, and this panel is $3 each, and I have 15 available, and this is lot 266. Lot 267 is very unusual. I've never had one like this before, and probably won't again. It is cream with, there's a little bit of pink. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but these stitches around these circles are a light pink. This measures 14 and a half by 10, and this is what the doilies look like in it. And you also have these little connector doilies as well. This is lot 267. I only have 6 of this available, and these are $3.50. $268 is a lace panel. The panel has kind of shabby edges on it. It measures 33 inches long by 14 inches deep. You can see the pattern on it. I have 6 of this available, and this is $2. That is lot 268. $269 is a section of a tablecloth, a linen tablecloth that has, what's the right side? This is the right side. Has embroidery on it. This measures 32 inches long by 13 inches deep, and it has Battenberg, some Battenberg around the edge, and it also has some pretty embroidery in pink, cream, and a pale blue. There are little pieces of that embroidery all along this panel. So this is lot 269. I have 4 of this available, and this is $3. $270 is from that same tablecloth, a different section of it. Have the Battenberg and the embroidery on it. It measures 16 inches by 12 inches. This part is just plain linen that you can, tear up into strips or do whatever you want with that part. But this is the embroidery on this one. So this is lot 270. I only have 4 of this one available, and this is $1.50. $2.71 is a set of 5 wedding appliques. These appliques measure 7.5 inches long by around, excuse me, 3 inches deep at the widest point. And it is the Alençon corded appliques. They're all the same. Well, there might be one, like you've got this odd one facing the other direction. Oh no, they're all facing the same way in this bundle, but there may be some facing the other direction, but the same appliques. This is lot 271. I have 7 of this available, and this is $7 for the set of 5. $2.72 is a pink filet piece. It is 34 inches long this way by about 5.5 inches, probably here, 5.5 inches. I dyed this, and the weeders are slightly different. They took the color a little bit different from the rest of the tablecloth. Not sure why. Some of them are quite different, and some are not very different. But this is lot 272. I only have 4 of this available, and this is $5. $2.73 is from the same tablecloth. It's a square with the 4 flowerets. This measures 5 inches square. I have 9 of these available, and these are $1.25 each. That was lot 273. Lot 274 is yet another different piece from that tablecloth. It's a cross-shaped. It has focus, that little part there. It's got these parts in here. So this is lot 274. I have 4 of this available, and this is $1. Lot 275 is yet another piece. It's a triangular piece. Measures, that last one measured about 10 inches by 9.5 inches. I forgot to say that. This one measures about 9 inches from here and 7 inches that way. And I have 8 of this one available. Got these little, come on, focus. Focus. Is that focus? I guess it is. I have 8 of these available, and these are also $1. That's lot 275. 276 is an 11-piece bundle, and in this bundle is a piece of, I would call this pink a raspberry color. This measures probably about 12 inches by about 7 or 8 inches. 1 piece like that. 4 of these raspberry doilies that are about 4 3/4 inches. 4 of those. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 of these ones that were in the other panel earlier. 4 of those. 1 of the appliques, and 1 of the little squares. So that is lot 276, 11-piece bundle, and this one is $8. $277 is also a bundle. In it is this placemat sized 17 by 10.5. These are do have some stains on them, so be aware of that. Perfect candidate to coffee stain. This one you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's some stains up in here. There's some more down in here. Some of them are a little bit more noticeable than others. So this one has some crochet around the edge, a little crochet inset, some cross stitch flowers. Really pretty. So that's one of the pieces in lot 277. And there's two doilies. This one is 8.5 inches with different shades of pink and cream. And then this one, it looks red in the viewfinder, but it's more of that raspberry and a light pink. This one is 7 inches. So this is a 3-piece set. I have 3 of these available, and this is $7. $278. This one I only have one of. It's a set of 2 pineapple doilies. This larger one is 18 by 15, and the smaller matching one is 17 by 10. So this is lot 278, a 2-piece set. I only have one of this available, and this is $8. $279 is a 3-piece doily set. I only have one of this available as well. I have this larger one that has some tan and a kind of a peachy pink color to it. This one measures 12 inches. You have this one with the variegated pinks. This one measures 9 inches. And then this smaller one is kind of a dusty pink, and this one measures 5 inches. So that is lot 279. I only have one available, and this is $7. Lot 280, I only have one of this available as well. This one has a 13-inch doily with the pink and green, and the pink is kind of dimensional. It's got a kind of a raised bud in the center with the green around. And the second one is a crocheted butterfly in a mint green and purple. This one kind of has special meaning to me. It was in my mother's on my mother's dresser, and I colored it for her. She loves butterflies, so I didn't make this, I colored it for her. So this was a keepsake from my mother. I have lots of keepsakes from my mother, so I figured this could go to somebody who might make something with it. So that is lot 280. I only have one of this available, and this is $6. $281 is a large runner. It's just the runner. The runner measures 37 inches long by 14 inches deep, and it has all these squares with gold and pink and cream in the center, and these are kind of dimensional. There are layers to the flowers. The individual squares measure about 5 inches square, and it has the variegated pink around the edge as well. So this is lot 281. I only have this one, and this is $6. And then lastly, 282, I went into my Shabby Chic box with all the bits and pieces that I used to put together kits. This is kind of like the last of it. And it has some bling trim, a pearl with a eyelet on it you can dangle. It has some some ribbon in pink and green. It has several little wedding pieces. Some of these appliques, flowers. It has one of these leaf appliques with the little rolled roses in the middle and the pearls. It has 3 of these, oops, what's that? Tape. 3 of these buttons, big, large pearl buttons. It has, I think, 5 somewhere of these little cabochons and one of the larger ones. There's another wedding applique. Some pearl trim. 2 different types of Chinese braid. One of is a dusty pink and the other one is like a baby pink. Some pink twine. Some more pink bling trim. Some Chinese braid in a white. There's the other cabochon. A crocheted pink trim. And some pearl trim. So that is lot 282. I only have 4 of this available, and this is $12. Everything you need to decorate a shabby chic journal. And that's all I have for today. I will see you in 3 weeks. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I will be back at the end of the month. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and bye for now.